In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help you resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 audio jack or headphones are not working on your laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select on the right panel underneath options and select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the audio troubleshooter. Go ahead and run that here. And give that a moment. And then I'd recommend following along with the on-screen prompts of what it suggests here. It should provide you an option to proceed here with the troubleshooting utility. And then just customize it based on your particular issues, and it'll go ahead and test your microphone jack, and hopefully it'll resolve the problem. If not, something else you can try once you've seen that through to the end would be to open up the search menu and search for Device Manager. Best result, come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and select that. Double click on the audio inputs and output section. Right click on your microphone and then select where it says update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and then select pick from a list of available devices or drivers on my computer. Select a manufacturer specific one, otherwise you can select the generic one if you have no choice. Select next here and close out of here. I would also suggest removing your microphone from your device and then plugging it back in, or possibly to a different port and then restart your computer as well. Make sure your microphone settings itself are turned up. So sometimes there's a volume control on the headset. You want to make sure that's turned up. And there's also a possibility that there's an issue with your audio jack on your device, or your headphones just might not be working properly and you may need a new set. So that's always a consideration too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.